Welcome to our guide on the top 5 must-visit spots in New Jersey. Adventurers, prepare for an exciting tour through the Garden State. A myriad of diverse landscapes, bustling cities, serene parks, quaint towns, and impressive museums await your exploration. New Jersey surely offers a unique cocktail of experiences for every kind of traveler. So, let's dive in and explore these amazing places. Here's our carefully curated list of the top 5 places you simply can't miss when you're in New Jersey. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is Liberty State Park. Nestled in the heart of Jersey City, this park is a stone's throw away from the iconic Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. It boasts breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline, making it a photographer's dream. Steeped in rich history, the park also houses the Liberty Science Center, a treasure trove of knowledge for the curious minds. A haven for nature and history lovers alike, Liberty State Park is a must-visit. Coming in at number 4 is the vibrant Atlantic City and the Boardwalk. This bustling seaside city is famed for its casinos, where the thrill of the game meets the allure of the ocean. But it's not just about the high stakes. Atlantic City also boasts a historic boardwalk that's teeming with charm. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub, with a plethora of dining and entertainment options. For a mix of fun, games, and beach relaxation, make sure to hit Atlantic City and the Boardwalk. Taking the third spot on our list is the picturesque town of Cape May. This quaint destination is a treasure trove of charm with its Victorian houses, offering a delightful blend of history and architectural beauty. The town's beaches are a haven of tranquility, while the iconic Cape May Lighthouse stands as a beacon of the town's rich maritime past. Don't miss out on the bird observatory for a chance to witness migrating species, or a whale-watching tour for an unforgettable experience. Cape May is a tranquil retreat for those seeking a slower pace. Coming in at a strong second place is Princeton and the Princeton University Art Museum. This Ivy League town is steeped in history, with Princeton University's hallowed halls echoing the footsteps of countless scholars. But it's not just about academia here. The Princeton University Art Museum is a treasure trove of over 92,000 works of art, spanning continents and centuries. Impressive, isn't it? So if you crave a blend of knowledge and culture, Princeton is the place to be. And finally, the number 1 spot on our list goes to the High Point State Park. It is the highest peak in New Jersey, providing panoramic views that are sure to take your breath away. The park offers an array of outdoor activities like hiking, swimming, and camping. A remarkable feature of this park is its monument, built in honor of war veterans, which is an absolute must-see. It's a place where the natural beauty of New Jersey truly shines. Offering an adventurous and memorable experience, the High Point State Park is our top pick for places to visit in New Jersey. And there you have it, the top 4 places to visit in New Jersey. Starting off with the spectacular Liberty State Park, followed by the lively atmosphere of Atlantic City Boardwalk, the unique charm of Cape May, and the intellectually stimulating Princeton and Princeton University Art Museum. These landmarks are sure to leave you with an unforgettable experience. You won't be disappointed. So, are you ready to explore New Jersey?